Good morning! How's it going, guys? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is blueberry fluffy pancake. Fluffy blueberry pancake. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! This is 1.5 cup of water, flour, with 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Just mixed it. And we make a well in the center, and then we're gonna crack in an egg. Just found a paper inside the flour. Egg and quarter cup of unsalted butter that is melted. And add in 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it until completely combined. Almost forgot our vanilla essence. 2 teaspoons. Once it's combined nicely, we're gonna add in our blueberries, about 1/2 cup. This was frozen, and I give a quick rinse to remove all the ice. And we're gonna use our pancake maker. Just drop per 1/2 cup, and there you go, a nice fluffy pancake.